Woo, that was close. I need to fix that up elevator. Oh yeah. All right. Mega 1615 7-turn direct drive with a 9-inch prop folding. Yeah, I gotta fix that elevator. But other than that, I'm a little like half throttle with 3 cells, 2200 Shorty 3-cell, and it's flying good. Let's see here, a gain altitude here. There you go. It's called an Ascent. It's been discontinued for a long time, and it's flying in very breezy weather. Okay, loop. There you go. Not bad. Another loop. Good. All right, just got to do a little adjustments on the up elevator, and that's it. Very stable model. I was concerned about the weight, but the 2200 3-cell Shorty doesn't really add that much weight. The motor's almost the same weight as the CAN 400 brush motor that came with the model many moons ago. So it's doing pretty good. I'm going to turn off the power and see how it glides. All right, that's no power right there. Wind is just bumping it around. Not a big deal. It's doing pretty good. Look at that. Yeah, the prop is a folding prop. Yep. It's made for powered gliders, and it's doing marvelous. Look at that. I haven't powered up yet. That's excellent. Right into the wind again. Gained a little altitude there. Yep. All right, power up. Another loop. And another loop. Woo! Look at that. Close and personal. I think that's good. I'm going to land and adjust that elevator for more relaxing endeavors. Okay, that's power off. Dead stick. Coming in, coming in. Whoa! The camera blinded me. Okay, going around again. All right, here we go. And dead stick. Yeah. Can't get a good feel for that up elevator. There you go. Oh, Marvy, that's just excellent. Even with the uncooperative elevator, that's just awesome. there you have it, an antique, hard to find, long discontinued in production E-Flite Ascent powered glider. Ugh.